Are you a creator struggling to make content fast, look amazed, and rank on Google or YouTube? In this video, I'm going to review 7 AI tools you must use in 2026 to create viral content across blogs, videos, graphics, and social media without stress. Everyone, welcome to Tech Skills Africa, and in today's video I'm going to show you my 10 ultimate AI tool skill that will let you produce high quality content faster than ever. If you want to grow your audience this year, stay tuned because this tool will change the way you create things forever. First here is ChatGPT. This AI is perfect for blog writing, video scripting, caption, and over social media posts. Just tell it what you want and it will drive content consistently. Pro tips: you can also ask it to rewrite your text for more engagement. Next is Jasper AI. Think of it as your marketing assistant. Need a catchy blog header line, video description, or any art that converts? Jasper has you covered. It will help you optimize your content for search engine. For visual, Canva AI make creative thumbnail, social media posts, and presentation for Bruce. You don't need any design skill. Just use a template, tweak with AI suggestion, and your content look professional. Need unique images or Illustrator? Midjourney 6 and Adobe Flyer generate creative visuals in seconds, perfect for thumbnails, blog headers, and Instagram posts that really stand out. Video creators: Capture AI is a game changer. Edit your YouTube video short, TikTok, or Reels with automatic caption, transition, or effect. You can turn hours of editing into minutes. If you're blogging or making content for search engine, Software SEO help your content rank higher. It analyzes keyword structures and readability so your posts actually get found online. And finally, Notion AI keep everything organized. Plan your content calendar, draft outline, and collaborate with your team seamlessly. No more forgetting idea or missing deadline. So here, this is my 7 AI tools every content creator must use in 2026. Use these together and you will produce content faster, look more professional, and grow your audience like never before. If you find this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more AI content tips. Drop a comment below telling me which AI tools you are excited to try. See you in the next video.